Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use raw propolis. First, you'll need some raw propolis, a clean glass jar with a lid, and a high-proof alcohol, like grain alcohol. Make sure your alcohol is at least 70% pure to properly extract the beneficial compounds. Gently remove any large pieces of wax or debris from the propolis, but don't worry about getting it perfectly clean. This simple preparation sets the stage for an easy extraction process. Now, let's create a propolis tincture. Break your raw propolis into small, pea-sized pieces. This helps it dissolve more effectively. Place the pieces into your glass jar, then pour in the high-proof alcohol. A good ratio is 1 part propolis to 2 parts alcohol by volume. Seal the jar tightly and shake it vigorously once a day for about 2 to 3 weeks. This allows the beneficial compounds to infuse into the alcohol. After 2 to 3 weeks, it's time to strain your tincture. Use a coffee filter or cheesecloth to separate the liquid from any remaining propolis solids. Pour the clear liquid into a dark glass dropper bottle for easy use and to protect it from light. You can apply a few drops directly to skin for minor irritations, or mix 5 to 10 drops into a small amount of water for internal consumption. Always start with a small dose. Raw propolis is known for its impressive benefits, including supporting your immune system and providing powerful antioxidant properties. Many people find it helpful for promoting skin healing and offering soothing relief for various minor ailments. It's a natural product with a long history of use. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This easy method helps you harness propolis' natural power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.